Ebushama mima akwaba enfa umbra Ghana Nsem TV GH mestra or sell like, comment, subscribe, then no notification so that every day I post a video biano or some kabe me damose.
Since morning, and I've been monitoring Rita. She's come live. I think this is the third time you are coming live because Obabia was Samatadi. I mean, the kind of passion, any love, what demonstrated towards Camilla, no, but very, very commendable. And I think, say, I will not be part of the section of our people to say me mommy and waha is trying to calm you down. Look, this is a time for us as a party to use our diaspora well. I believe, say, the kind of attack that we are witnessing on you kind of say MPP activist, and I say pro-right center activist, which is making a lot of people become fearful of saying what is the truth. Now, a lot of people have become fearful about saying it because the moment you open your mouth and attempt to talk, somebody is coming for you. The powers that be, national security, police or whatever, they are coming for you. Look, the way I'm person intimidate NPP for no. I don't think this country has a future. And the reason I'm saying I don't think this country has a future, and he said, look, I did biara omudi ye no, ye babaka, ye bet your muka, and ye uti ajidi, because there is no way, absolutely no way, that we are going to leave these ones into the hands of God. No, so long as we have life. The very moment Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia is sworn in as the President of the Republic of Ghana, 7 January 2029, inshallah, everyone that has been part of the use of this security apparatus to intimidate a pro-right center activist, look, it is okay, say, Ebia Obiaka Sembi, and you want to arrest the person. But to go and abuse the person physically in the manner is being depicted online, a very barbaric deed. And the people who are part of this thing, and I'm very much sure, say, Oba bi eni omumu, ebe ye kwasiafo bema bia, omu nim dia omu di oma hondi beye. Enti, what the best want to do, or the best way to use almost strength, anya kupon dia domo muni say, they will use their strength on a woman, a harmless woman, a woman that is not armed. And yes, Camilla no wakwak of tam a tool and I said sword be and I said knife be say or defending the home. A harmless citizen, a citizen that did not carry any weapon, and you brutalize her in this manner. And yes, a demonstration be cried upon or yeah, Becca say, or demonstrative or quiet so ebia or cause damage to public property. No,
exactly.
Just because say wakasa as a citizen, and every right-thinking citizen, every well-meaning citizen has the right to speak when about any matter that concerns this country. Uba Ghana we recognize 3 kind of religions: Christianity, Islam, and then African traditional religion. Uba Ghana ha witchcraft a crime. Uba Ghana ha occultism a crime. And he said Osofo be sorry ka say or no Osofo no.
It was for my English remember. Sorry.
Me try so.
That was so.
Yeah. And he said Osofo be sorry ka say. Say we crap me ka say Osofo. Say individual be sorry ka say or no individual no were sacrificing 32 cows in the run up to election 2024. I can say that is occultism. An occultic act. An act that depicts witchcraft. And a sorry tia constitution. And if a citizen in right thinking capacity, if a citizen that decided say, so long as I'm paying taxes, no, I will not sit down and watch the destiny of this country go haywire. Sorry, bisa questions, there is nothing that warrants the kind of brutality state agencies have unleashed upon the woman. Again, Osofo Okasa Semweno, he did not end here. He went further to grant another interview. And in that interview, no, he still maintained, say, Onusa fucking mind, no. Sorry for my choice of word. He indeed sacrificed 32 cows, no, or the Kwanchirema NDC. And he again said, say, Asedun Ketia is aware, the same source of Osaka said, the source of funding, and you onu so for bottom sika, and all the Tosa cows, no, or see, the fund came from an NDC person. And these are all recordings that are there. Say state agencies, BNI, Signals Bureau, any police for national security for EPA, they will have gotten access to. But enam abro any BNT, the very substance of the issue, the very source of the issue, the very root of this issue, they've decided to overlook it. Now, a harmless woman who is in the central region, a harmless citizen, on your government worker, Wambeji Busia Ojo Mahama ni Jane Ho. Data or the Kasa or TikTok han or no any bottom sika. Reiterated. Say Obiaka say ni say, and he can reassert say 32 cows. Now the same time in Sotimitona, we have people who have expired and who are in their 30s. No? Does it mean say we can't ask questions again in Ghana? Is that what John Dramani Mahama, any these clueless NDC government are telling us? We can't ask questions, we can't draw conclusions, and it has become a crime, Ghana say, to ask questions and to draw conclusions. You see, this is the kind of thing now. Yeah, the training yena yewa Ghana ha and ne ukotina kamu na driver no overspeed ya won't make kasa. You keep quiet until the driver goes to get an accident and you die like an animal. Adentia in Ghana we are told say to question something it means say you are being disrespectful. In Ghana, Uba Hospital, na doctor ebo edi who be say eno na ye wo yare a you don't have the right
video Oba na wadi aba Philip Befi.
Video I did even a YouTube video on it. And I can't leave this phone and remember this preacher man went ahead to video no.
Yeah, second one Adam TikTok. Top one say enye ni bottom sika. Ana omudi tua NDC for bottom sika. Ana omudi tua na ntue ni ka na okuma ko 32. Adam TikTok is here.
Okay. I'm going to play. I think I
want that video also call radio ekoma details and oka we nyina. I want it to use it and speak in my language. I don't know NDC for mo pesa mo titi ni pasa.
Adam TikTok sisi a kwa bo se man for comment sisi a. Eda TikTok no sisi a. Adam TikTok sisi a. Me da koto man for comment.
Me ba me kwa akose na maba. Mami search we TikTok.
I think even Black Rasta reported on that. As you when you are searching, look out for anything that contains Black Rasta, then you will see in that.
Black Rasta interview no. Black Rasta interview no.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he explained further.
Yeah. And when you come to the hospital, now you catch us say yare winner no in Ghanaian society no ubisa about yare na you are being disrespectful. And so you are not surprised, say there was this woman that came to the hospital and that was misdiagnosed. I didn't hear ni blood sample or lab ni munomuswapi, and they told her say she was positive for HIV. And the woman
Lona, please, if you are available, come up. The things that we are talking about, I want you to also speak in the Dagbani so that people from the north will hear what is going on and the lies they are, spewing about Camilla Al-Hassan. Or you're not dinner. So big man Lona, just see you bypass. If you have time, you can come in and then share your this one.
And for the subsequent weeks, the woman started showing signs. Can you mute yourself?
That PM, please mute it. Maybe Nipa so the voice. If you can wrap up in 2 minutes, send it back.
No problem. No problem. And for the subsequent weeks, now the woman started showing signs and symptoms of someone who has HIV until we realized, now your immune system was not affected. So how come? And then to just know, not knowing her sample was mixed with another person.
I've seen the video. Please let people listen. This is the Black Rasta interview.
Let me say, and it's for the TIA. My name won't be a and it's for the TIA. And I get up to India. Let me say, and it's for the TIA. My name won't be a and it's for the TIA. And Yamin Tiaka, woman of Tiaka, on the mother to my mom. And I'm Yama also. The next year of money capture, Penny, I'm in no hour, when you need me say. Kumasi, let me have one of Kumasi, where we big balance of one, and the year so. You will get Kumasi for 1 week. Read the one that have a deal with uncle. Let me be a friend with a Ben. So people go out now on Jinaka.
Diana Camilla can wrong. Huh?
And they get up to India. Let me say, and it's for the TIA.
Wakoda wa Kumasi 2 weeks just to bury Nanchwe head. The video of Nanchwe head on the NPP flag. Chichireno, Aquako Barino, so Nina, ewa. Wait.